Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your Gemini API key and placing it in an environment variable such as Gemini API KEY. Once done, install the official gem with gem install Gemini or add it to your gem file and bundle. Make sure your Ruby version meets the gem's requirements and that you can reach the endpoint with a simple curl test. Now create a minimal client in your app that reads the end var and makes an authenticated handshake request to verify credentials and connectivity. You now build the core request. Pick streaming if you need tokens as they arrive or synchronous for single-shot responses. Set model, temperature, and max tokens. Include metadata and content type headers. If input is large, chunk it and paginate rather than sending one huge payload. Implement retries with exponential backoff for transient failures and explicitly handle 4xx versus 5xx errors. Also validate received tokens and monitor usage headers so you avoid unexpected quota or cost spikes while keeping latency predictable. You finish by parsing JSON responses and normalizing the fields your app uses. Map choices, text, and any safety labels to your domain model. When deploying, respect rate limits by caching common queries and batching requests where possible, and wire metrics and alerts for cost and error rates. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to reproduce the issue with the smallest possible request, log the full request and response, without secrets, and test alternate parameters or a different model to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.